Hey, Backyard Combi fans. I came out here to sit by the bus because I have a decision to make. I thought being out here staring at the camera would hasten that process. My original plan with the bus was to get it mechanically sound and then do a panel by panel restoration of the body. Well, recently a friend of mine and the head of a local nonprofit organization devoted to teaching people automotive restoration skills has offered to assist me and to train me in doing a much more in-depth restoration of the body of the bus. That would entail backtracking a bit. It would entail getting the bus wet media blasted. So I'd have to undo some of the things I've already done. I'd have to pull the cables, drop the front axle, pull the windows out. So this is a tough decision for me. I was literally within about a day from achieving my VW Run 21 goals, which was a neighborhood drive. And I was kind of looking forward to a phase after that where the bus would be drivable. You know, maybe I could take it camping with the kids while they're still kids and proceed with the auto body restoration kind of slowly, maybe over the course of a couple years. It's a conundrum. I think that the opportunity to learn this skill set from my friend is really hard to pass up, because not only would it improve this bus in the end, but I could apply that to any additional project that I choose to pursue moving forward. And I'm gonna buy a Bug next, all right, pretty soon. The downside is that it's a bit demoralizing to undo some of the things I did, and it adds on to the timeline to the point where I can actually drive a vintage Volkswagen around. And that's hard. I'd really like to get the heck out of the backyard, get out there and enjoy driving, going to meetups and camping trips and classic cars and coffee events. Gosh, I live right next to the Pacific Coast Highway, and I can't wait to drive up and down, you know, on that route. So I don't know if I'm any closer to making this decision. As I said earlier, I do plan to get a Bug soon. I'm looking for a pre-1968 Bug in OG paint, something that's going to allow me to immediately get out there and drive. So even if I make the decision to go in a deep dive with this bus restoration and it adds on significantly to a timeline, presumably I will have a Volkswagen that I can drive around. I don't know if that helps me make this decision or not. It's a tough one. If you have thoughts, I would greatly appreciate them. Please leave your advice to me in the comments below. Thanks for listening.